Skyscrapers in Beijing disappeared into the haze and air quality plummeted as China's capital was enveloped in a dust storm and heavy pollution on Friday. Concentrations of the tiny PM 2.5 particles that can reach deep into the lungs and bloodstream entered a dangerous range on air quality monitoring sites, with the IQ Air website showing an air quality index of 1093, a hazardous level, many times higher than what are considered unhealthy levels. Beijing was formerly notorious for its terrible air quality, but conditions had much improved in recent years as authorities took heavily polluting vehicles off the roads and moved coal-fired power plants and heavy industry to the surrounding provinces. The capital also used to be known for regular springtime dust and sandstorms caused by winds blowing in from the lowest hills along the upper sections of the Yellow River to the west. Anti-desertification efforts have helped reduce both the frequency and intensity of the storms that had often turned the surrounding air a cataclysmic yellowish-red. Air pollution escalated in Beijing on Wednesday as the city was hit by a huge sandstorm, as dust also engulfed other parts of the country in an orange haze. In the north and northwest areas of China, high winds and dust turned the sky a glaring tangerine, reducing visibility to less than few hundred meters in some areas. According to the forecasters, low visibility will be common with drivers cautioned against speeding under the conditions. The sandstorms will gradually move south and then weaken, said the forecasters. Authorities noted that the pollution was largely being caused by airborne particles called PM10, which are small enough to be inhaled and can aggravate a range of health issues including respiratory issues.